how to add random death sound in Roblox Studio. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So I have opened the base plate right here. So yeah, so the first thing that we're going to do first is to just simply click on play right here. So just simply play this base plate that you're going to make, or just play the game that you've been making. And then once you're playing your game, what you want to do from here is to go to the right side over here, go to Explorer, and then once you're here, just go to Starter Player, and then just go to Starter Player Scripts. So under Starter Player Scripts, go to Roblox Character Sounds. So just click on that script right there, right click it, and then just simply click on Copy. And then once you're done copying it, just simply click on Stop right here. Afterwards, just go back to the Explorer, go to Starter Player, and then again, just go to Starter Player Scripts. So just click on that script right there or folder and just simply paste in the script that you've copied. So just click on Control V. There you go. And then as you can see that the Roblox character sounds right here is at the workspace or at the top. So what you want to do is to just simply drag it to Starter Player Scripts. So just drag it there. And then there you go. So under Starter Player Scripts, we now have access to the Roblox character sounds. Okay, so afterwards, what we're going to do now is just simply open up our toolbox. And then from here, you can just go search up for sounds right here that you want to use. So for example, I just searched up a that sound right here. And then for example, I'll just use that sound right here of Lego Yoda. So yep, so right now, so once you found your sound, go back to the Explorer, go to Roblox Character Sounds right here again, double click on it, and then this will open up. Okay, so I know this might look a little bit overwhelming since there are a lot of codes right now, but we'll only be modifying one line. So what you want to do is under local sound data right here, just look for died. So it's this one right here, died. So this code right here is for the that sound. So what you want to do from here is go to sound ID. So in sound ID, you will see this string right here. So what you want to do from here is go to the Roblox asset, and then after asset, just simply type in ID. Afterwards, what you want to do now is highlight sounds until .mp3 and then just simply delete that. Afterwards, what you want to do now is go to the sound that you found right here in the toolbox. So for example, again, I'll be using this sound. Right click that sound and then just simply click on copy asset ID. So just copy that and then just paste it back in right here after the double slashes. So just paste that in and then there you go. And then after that, you are now done. So we can now exit out of here. So I'll just exit this code out, and then to test it out, just simply click on play again. And then right now, to hear that sound, I'll just reset my character or respawn. So I'll just click on these three lines right here in the top left corner, click on respawn, click on reset. And then there you go. So you can see that the sound has changed. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add random death sound in Roblox Studio.